how to detach the bucket and separate the bucket out. Important to always have 3 points of contact when coming off the machine. And then it's just basically these 2 levers down here. So you just flick these up. And then this one. And yeah. So when we want to take off the bucket, all we're literally doing with the boom and the hitch is lift it up slightly and then just go like that. And then to connect it is like that. So that's a little example. Lift it up. That's the bucket off, and now we'll just pick up the bucket again. And it's that easy. And then just pop down your little what would you call them? Hitch locking pins. And that is how you connect your bucket. So that is essentially the basics of the skid steer. We're going to do some attachments over the next couple of weeks, but please let us know what you'd like to see next so that we can get those videos up to help you when you guys hire, and hopefully this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to smash that subscribe button if you want more tips and tricks on our machine.